welcome to the pet room. David Bradley here. We've had a strange thing happen here. As you will see, I was torturing the drive, and indeed, things have happened. So, if you look, the program are now PRF files. The things are weird. K M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y. The letters on this come up. So what I'm really thinking, on the computer they come up. I'm thinking that one of the 2114 RAM chips in the disk drive has failed. Why do I think that? Well, because there seems to be some sort of, the bits are off of sorts. I'm not sure exactly what all this stuff is supposed to be saying, but it isn't supposed to be saying this. It's not. So, I'm figuring what I will do is if I do that, I'll get a syntax error. I'll put in catalog, go to 10, and I will run. So, what I am figuring is that I will perhaps leave this to torture. Perhaps I won't. I don't know. Anyway, I was hoping if there was going to be a failure that I would find it, and indeed I did. Am I pleased that I found a failure? No, not really. But, as I say, if I'm going to be selling and sending things, well, even if it's around the corner or around the world, I want to make sure it is working. And the 2114 and RAM chips in general seem to be the common failure. I could try other things. I really think things are pointing to the RAM chips, and there are two of them in here. And if you remember rightly, most everything that I have fixed along the pet lines has been the 2114 RAM chips. And where did I get them from? From a VIC-20 that had smoked. And they were mostly all good. Not quite all good, but mostly, but I still have some. So that is what I'm tempted to do. Now, what I could possibly do, I will ponder this. I may bring another disk drive up, because there's always the possibility that the trouble in here is actually in the pet. I don't believe it, but it is possible. It is indeed. So we'll see about this. We will see. Anyway, so that's where we're at with this drive that seems to be quite happy and quite dandy and quite wonderful. I have no illusion about it being dirty heads or rails that need greasing or anything else. It's very likely a RAM chip. But anyway, I will ponder. Right now it's time to hit the grocery store. So I will maybe leave this torturing, and maybe I won't. I will see. So, if you have any insights, don't hesitate to pass them on. You just never know what will happen here in the TV room, which is, of course, part of the world of Commodore. So have a lovely, lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.